Here I am again making another GLP-1 positive meal in my mind, and nobody seems to have any questions about what I'm eating here because I've gotten the approval and the go-ahead to eat like this from my nutritionist that I was assigned to from the VA. Now in this bowl, you'll see I have a couple, I would call them sandwich steaks. They go by another commercial name that I'm not going to say here, but a couple of sandwich steaks, and I've got some roasted red peppers and green peppers, and I've got a medley of that, including the onions. And what I did with that is I made that, and in between the two, where you see the onions and the meat, I had an egg, a couple of eggs mixed in, and you can possibly see the egg right there. And with that, I added on top, to get a little bit of dairy in, is I sprinkled in some pepper jack cheese. As you can see, that's the white stuff you see there that's melting. So I sprinkled in some pepper jack cheese to try and get a little bit of dairy in for the day, because earlier today, I had, since it's Wednesday, April 15th, and I made a video about it, where I took advantage of the $3.99 Whopper meal. Not meal, but this Whopper sandwich. I ordered the sandwich alone, and of course it had a bun, so I had that. And what I did is I looked up the amount of calories that the new Burger King Whopper, how many calories were in that sandwich. And it topped out at 760 calories, and that's without any cheese. So I think I'm doing pretty good today, and I'm going to have to keep eating like this, at least while I'm on the GLP-1 medicine, and see how that goes. My next shot is not due until Sunday evening, and that's when I'll probably be taking another shot of the 0.50 milligram of the semaglutide, or as most people know it as Ozempic. And I let my PCP know, my primary care physician know, how I felt with the 0.25 injections over the last 4 weeks. And I did let him know that I took the 0.50 this past Sunday, and I sent a message to him, via the VA messaging system, that I had no side effects or no nausea, I didn't feel any kind of different way after taking the 0.50 milligram shot. So this second week of 0.50 is coming up on Sunday, and I'll be letting you guys know, whoever seems to care or wants to watch my videos, I'll be doing that shot on Sunday when it comes up, and I'll be letting you guys know how I feel after that one also as well. So don't forget to like my channel, like this video, share this video, and if you're on a GLP-1, let me know how your journey is going also as well. I appreciate you watching, and looking forward to making you another video in the future. Take care.